Alright guys, here we are. Our machine is red. We can even click here. It should be here. Set Windows password. Let me get his username. Set. That's just gonna do it. Okay, close. Alright, cool. We set that. And now we are going to connect with that. So you're gonna download this guy. I'm gonna click on it. Connect. There you go. Sometimes I have to download more than one time. Okay, it failed to open. Let's try that again. Connect. Okay, we're gonna get into that once it's done because it takes a while. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.